What's going on? Mike here with Tuner Test Drive, and in this video I want to provide a few sound clips as well as a brief install guide on the 4-inch full titanium Tomei Expreme exhaust system for the Mark IV Supra. Now, before we jump right into the sound clips, I want to provide a little bit of background on the setup of my car, because depending on what setup you're running on your car, the exhaust system might sound a little bit different. So on my car, I'm running a tubular manifold with a Precision 6766 turbo, 4-inch downpipe, 4-inch midpipe, and this is all with stock cams. Now onto the sound clips. Now, for my specific install, the parts will be a little bit different than if you were installing this on a stock twin car or onto a car with a non-V-band midpipe. The exhaust system comes with everything you'll need to install for most setups. For my install, I also picked up this 4-inch V-band adapter piece from Powerhouse Racing. This will allow me to attach the 4-inch piping of the exhaust system to my existing 4-inch midpipe. The kit will come with all the necessary clamps, spring clips, and gaskets. The main pieces are the burnt tip silencer section, which is polished to a mirror finish, and the main pipe section with some nice welds on the bent sections. Now, this is a part you won't find in the kit. This is the 4-inch V-band adapter from Powerhouse Racing. Start by getting the rear of the car up off the ground and held up with some jack stands. Install your specific adapter into the main pipe section. Note where the spring clips hook into. Loosely install the supplied clamp to hold the two pieces together. Install the main pipe section's exhaust bracket into the rubber exhaust hanger on the driver's side of the car. This will help relieve some of the weight of the exhaust while you're trying to align the main pipe section to your midpipe. Line up the midpipe and main pipe sections and loosely secure them together. You don't want to tighten anything down until the end of the install. Now grab the silencer section and install it onto the main pipe. Loosely install the clamp. Place the silencer band around the silencer, being careful not to scratch that polished finish. Loosely install and tighten the bolt for the silencer band. Raise the silencer up with the band and attach the band's bracket to the rear exhaust hangers. There will be 2 rubber hangers. It can be a pain to get both hangers onto the bracket, but they will fit. Now's your chance to get the alignment right. You can spin the silencer band around the silencer to get the fitment perfect. A zip tie may also be handy to pull the exhaust in one direction. This is also included in the kit. Once the fitment looks good, you can now tighten down all the hardware. One thing you might not have dealt with are these spring clips. I found grabbing them with pliers gave me enough leverage and grip to attach them. With all the clamps tight and the hardware attached, the install is now complete. Fire it up and check for leaks. So overall, I'm really happy with this exhaust system. It looks great. It's very lightweight compared to other exhaust systems for this car. And really, this is probably one of the first new exhausts that have come out for the Mark IV Supra in years. I'm even surprised they even provided a new one just based on the age of these cars. Now, personally, I think the HKS 4-inch titanium racing exhaust is one of the best exhaust systems for these cars, but the Tomei Power Extreme is getting up there as being one of my favorite exhausts on these cars. To me, the downside of the HKS exhaust is it doesn't look as nice inside the bumper cutout, as well as the canister itself is the only part that's titanium, and the rest of the piping is steel, so it's still pretty heavy. All right, that's all I had for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.